Today, we're diving into something big. I mean, a really significant shift in artificial intelligence. AI agent swarms. And let me tell you, this isn't just another small update. It's a completely different way of thinking about how we use AI to tackle complex business problems. And the crazy part, it's happening a lot faster than you might think. Look, when the CEO of Microsoft calls something the next frontier, you know it's time to sit up and pay attention. This is a huge signal for every business leader out there. We're not talking about a niche technology for the IT department. This is being positioned as a core strategic move for any modern company. And you know what follows a big strategic shift, right? Big money. The market for AI agents is projected to blow past $10 billion by 2025. I mean, think about that. That's not some far-off future prediction. The investment, the growth, it's all happening right now.
And this isn't just hype or some idea on a whiteboard. The tech is already out in the wild. Check this out. A recent survey showed that nearly a third of organizations, 29% to be exact, are already using agentic AI. The early adopters are making their moves, and that's the clearest sign you can get that this stuff is already delivering real value.
Okay, so we've established the stakes are high. But what in the world is an AI swarm? I know, the name sounds like something straight out of science fiction, but the concept is actually pretty intuitive, and it's inspired by the world all around us.
At its heart, it's really all about teamwork. Instead of having one single giant AI brain trying to do everything at once, a swarm is a group of specialized AI agents. You can think of them as individual experts, right? Each one has its own specific skills, and they all talk to each other and collaborate to hit a common goal.
Here's the perfect way to picture it. Imagine a busy, high-end restaurant kitchen. You've got your prep chef, your grill master, a pastry chef. They're all masters of their own domain. They aren't all waiting for one single person to tell them every little thing to do. No, they coordinate with each other seamlessly to create one amazing meal. That's the exact same idea behind an AI swarm.
And you know, this idea isn't brand new. It's actually been brewing for decades. It goes all the way back to theories like Marvin Minsky's Society of Mind back in the 80s. Then, in the 90s, computer scientists got fascinated by ant colonies and beehives and started modeling their behavior. And now, here we are in the 2020s with all this incredible computing power, and these ideas are finally becoming real, practical tools for business.
Okay, so we get the concept. Now let's get to the part that really matters for you as a leader. What's the bottom line? Why should your business even think about a swarm approach instead of a traditional single AI system? Well, as you're about to see, the advantages are pretty huge.
First and foremost is adaptability. I mean, in the kind of volatile markets we're all dealing with today, being able to react in real time is a massive, massive advantage. A swarm-based system can feel a change in one area, like, say, a supply chain delay, and the right agents can instantly adjust, rerouting and replanning on the fly without waiting for a command from the top.
Another huge win is just how resilient they are. Think about it. A single big AI system creates a single point of failure. If that one system goes down, your entire process just stops, dead in the water. But in a swarm, if one agent fails, the others can immediately step in, compensate, and pick up the slack. It's a system designed from the ground up to handle problems and keep things running.
And this isn't just a what if. We can see this happening right now, in the real world. The online grocer Ocado uses a swarm of thousands of robots in their warehouses. If a single robot breaks down, the others just dynamically redistribute its tasks. The amazing result? The system never stops. Orders keep getting filled. That is what resilience looks like in action. So this really gets to the core of the difference, right? On one side, you have the old way, a single monolithic system that's clunky, creates bottlenecks, and is a real pain to scale. And on the other side, you have the swarm. It's modular, it can do a bunch of things in parallel, and it's way, way easier to scale up. You just add more agents to the team. And these aren't just fuzzy, abstract benefits. We're talking about real hard numbers that hit the bottom line. For instance, putting swarms to work in customer service can cut costs by up to 30%. In the energy sector, multi-agent systems managing smart grids, they've been shown to reduce energy waste by up to 15%. This is the kind of impact that makes executives take notice.
Okay, so we've covered the what and the why. Now for the most important part, what you should actually do. Let's shift gears and get into an actionable playbook for you and your team.
But first, let's be realistic for a second. This isn't some magic wand you can just wave. There are definitely challenges. You've got to think about the complexity of getting all those agents to work together, new security issues, how to integrate this with your old systems, and you're going to need new ways to govern it all. Knowing these hurdles exist is the first step to getting over them.
So, with those challenges in mind, the big question becomes,
How can your organization start to harness the power of AI swarms in a way that's both effective and strategic?
Here it is, a clear, 4-step framework. First, figure out where this technology could have the biggest bang for your buck. Look for complex processes with a lot of moving parts. Second, start small. Launch a well-defined pilot project to learn the ropes and show some early wins. Third, invest in your people. You need the right talent and skills. And finally, number 4, set up a clear governance plan from day one to manage risk and make sure everything is aligned with your business goals.
So I'll leave you with this final thought. This shift from a single system to a collaborative swarm, it's more than just a tech change. It's really a powerful metaphor for business itself. The question for every leader then is this: is your business going to keep operating as a lone agent, or is it ready to become a swarm? Thank you for joining the podcast, and see you soon.